Alright guys, today we're here at 12644 West Gardenia Avenue. This is out here in beautiful sunny Arizona. As you can see, we have the home right here in front of us. And then we'll take a quick look around the neighborhood. As you can see, I mean, just how quiet it is, how clean all the landscaping is. This is a brand new neighborhood. So everything's modern, freshly painted, all up to date. So this is a really nice neighborhood that you're not going to have a lot of issues with. And then you get this private little entry, and something I want to point out is you actually get this little code lock on your door right here. So you can actually, if you don't forget your key or anything like that, you can actually punch in a code and get in that way. Well, let's take a step inside. And as you can see, you step right into this beautiful paint and the beautiful flooring. You can see how light and bright it makes this home feel. Yeah, I mean, it is already a really nice size home, but it makes it feel even bigger with all the light colors in here. So as you can see, you can either go right, straight, or left. We'll go ahead and start on the left side. And you step into like a little den / like office area. You could use it as like a secondary living room in here. You get the window, you get all the beautiful ceiling lighting as well. And then you can go to the right, which will have our first guest bedroom, which you can see, I mean, this is a really nice size room. You get the window, the ceiling fan, you can see all the beautiful carpet in here. And then you also get 2 full doors of closet space over here. So, I mean, that's a really nice size closet for this size room. And then you can come back across the way right here, and you step into a full guest bathroom, which you can see you get these dual vanities in here as well. I really like the accent color of the cabinets, like the dark playing off with the light. It looks really, really nice. So you get the window over here, as well as, I mean, probably some of the most storage I've ever seen in a guest bathroom right here, as well as the beautiful shower tub combo behind us. You can see all the nice stainless steel finishes on that as well. And then over here, we have another guest bedroom, which this one actually happens to face out of the front of the home. So you can see that's the front where we started the video, right about right there. And then you also still get the beautiful ceiling fan, the full 2 doors of storage over here as well as they obviously carry all the nice fresh paint and flooring all throughout as well. So that's going to be about it for the left side of this little secondary area over here. So back to the front door right here, and then we'll come across this way into one of my favorite touches of this home, which happens to just look like another bedroom. You get the window, the ceiling fan. Also, something that's a really nice touch is you actually get a little fan and a little light bulb on the strings for the ceiling, so you can actually know which one is which is a nice little touch to this home. And then you get a huge walk-in closet over here, which you don't see in many guest bedrooms. And then behind us, in the same bedroom, you get a private full bathroom. So you can see they still carry all the beautiful coloring all throughout. And you get a full shower back here. So you can see, I mean, this is amazing to have in a guest bedroom. Maybe if you're like extended family in town or anything like that. They can get their own private little area with their own bathroom. And then right here we have a beautiful 2-car garage. So you can see you get some really nice shelving right here as well. Nice light and bright in here. So that's about it for the front of the home. So again, the front door is directly behind us. And then let's step up this way. And to the right, you actually get a massive laundry room. So you can see, this whole entire area is dedicated to the laundry. And something else I want to point out is, it's tucked away all by itself. It's not up against any bedrooms or anything like that. So if you, need to do a load of laundry at nighttime, you're not going to really be able to hear it, which is a nice touch because it helps keep the home nice and quiet. And then this way we have a really good sized storage closet as well, right off the main entry hallway area. And then we step into this really modern, I guess you could say, really cool touch. Look at all these finishes I love how, the black finishes up here match all the cabinetry as well. But then you have the light black backsplash as well as, the lighter countertops and flooring. I mean, it's a really nice accent and they play off each other really, really well. So you can see, we'll start over here. We'll kind of skip past the kitchen a little bit. And we have a really good sized secondary living room area. I guess you could consider it the prime living area. And then we have the actual dining area behind us. But it's such an open concept. You could really make it whatever you would like to. But you do get this really crazy looking chandelier type of deal that, you could put your table right here and have some really cool seating around it. Really anything you'd like to do, you can do in this space. And then you also get this really cool looking fireplace over here as well. And let's step into the kitchen, which is by far probably my favorite part of this home. I love this countertop, all the granite. Again, the camera doesn't really pick it up too well, but this countertop is really, really cool looking. You get the huge sink as well, get all the stainless steel appliances, and all of those are actually going to stay with the home itself too. So you're not going to have to replace any of these. They're going to be here for you to use, as well as a gas stovetop, which again is just a nice modern touch to the home. Really good for cooking, as well as all this storage space. You're never going to run out of room in here. And then you also get a huge pantry as well. So it comes all the way back here behind the door, as well as all the way down there. So you can see how much space is in here for you guys to use. So again, just another nice touch to the home. And then let's go ahead and take a step out into the backyard. As you can see, you get a beautiful space back here. So you get the actual real grass, not the turf stuff. And then you get a beautiful brick area as well. Imagine having like a little shade, some seating areas over here. You could really, really make this backyard homey with just a couple additions, a couple chairs, a little shade, and you'd be all set. That's all you would need back here. And then you get your walkway over all the way up to the front of the home over there. So, this is a fantastic size backyard as well. And it's rare to find homes with real grass anymore. So that's just something that's also a nice addition to have as well. So let's come back inside, and then we have one more thing left, which is going to be the primary bedroom, which is going to be tucked away over here. So you can see how you get a massive window, you get the ceiling fan. You can see how nice and open it is in here. This home is really, really nice. And then let's make sure the camera focuses here. And then you can see you have a nice open concept into the bathroom, which is amazing. So again, you get this beautiful dark cabinetry, the dual vanities, and you also get a separate tub and shower. So you don't have like the 2-in-1 combo. You actually get two full separate units, which is just another addition to this home, as well as the nice big window in here, letting in a bunch of natural light. And then one of the biggest walk-in closets I've ever seen. So you can see how big it is in here. You can step all the way over here inside and just see how big this closet is. So that's going to do it. That's about it for this home, guys. If you have any questions, you want to visit our website, you can do that at rpmphoenixvalley.com. You can set up your own tour if you'd like to come see it in person, to see other showings that we have, schedule a showing. Really just about any information that you need is going to be on our website. Again, that's rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.